Hi, Boobs.
Hello, good morning.
Keto cereal? Impossible, you say? Stay tuned to this next video and find out.
See you soon. Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Okay, so much like everyone in this world, we love cereal.
Who doesn't? Who doesn't love cereal?
Ugh, I love it. But keto is cereal's a no-no.
It's usually sweet and has sugar and carbs and everything else that you're not supposed to have.
Exactly. Until now. Guys,
Until now.
we just bought this. This is HighKey protein cereal. HighKey makes a ton of products. I've never tried them. I have been wanting to try them, and this is in fruity. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I'm told that these taste like Fruity Pebbles.
We will see.
Not gonna lie,
See.
this is $11 a box. It's
So
not
that high key also comes with a high price.
okay, but is it worth it to have cereal? And like, are you a cereal? It's the morning. Literally, we have coffee.
Oh,
We
yeah.
just woke up wearing glasses.
About an hour ago.
Do you have cereal in the morning, or are you like a nighttime snacky cereal person? I'm both. So we're gonna be having this, in case you're wondering, with unsweetened. This is unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This has 1 net carb per serving, and this is 0 net carbs. So we have never tried this before. Literally, the box is still sealed.
So since this was $11, are we only getting like a tablespoon?
I'll tell you what we're not doing. We're not going to be.
Tablespoon of cereal.
We're not going to be pouring. Oh, and this
And it's
is
not a huge
8
box.
ounces.
Only
8 ounces.
It's a very small box.
Oh wow. Okay. This is what it looks
So
like
it's like-
inside.
A cup of cereal each.
Literally, maybe less. Maybe less. But
They look like. Do
they look like little puff rice. They don't look like
yeah, they
Fruity
look
Pebbles.
like puffed rice. Looks like Rice Krispie treats. Like spicy salsa Rice Krispies. The colors are like green
Yeah.
and red and look like
Let's smell
Spanish
it.
rice.
Oh, but you know what? They smell like Fruity Pebbles.
They do.
Okay.
They do.
Okay.
The
Okay.
Flintstones may have some competition on that.
I know. 0 net carbs, though. Now, a serving size is... We look for the serving size. The serving size is... There's 8 servings in this.
Of 1 cup, right?
Yeah, I'm going to get... Oh, half a cup.
Half a cup.
Okay, so we're out there.
I guess this is a little bit more. But
Right.
so now we have like 4 servings.
No. This is like maybe a cup. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. Do not spill it. That would be like spilling...
You're spilling money on the floor.
Literally. Okay, so
Let's try this.
We're going to do it with milk. I know some people are like,
Do people like a lot of milk
win.
or more cereal? More win. I don't like a lot of milk. I like a more of a
oh my goodness,
dry
there's
cereal.
literally like ice particles in this.
Our fridge that cold?
I don't think so. Nothing else is frozen.
It doesn't look like Rice Krispies in a bowl. It more or less looks like Spanish rice.
Spanish rice. I can see
That's what
that
it looks
actually.
like.
Yeah, the colors are very vibrant, but I heard it's delicious. Let's try. First impressions, guys. I actually like it. It doesn't taste exactly like Fruity Pebbles,
No.
but
It doesn't
The
taste
more
like
I-
Fruity Pebbles.
the more I chew,
It has its own
the
flavor.
more it
It's
does
not,
taste
it's
like
not
Fruity
bad at all.
Pebbles.
It doesn't taste like Fruity Pebbles. It doesn't even taste like an off-brand Fruity Pebbles, but it tastes like it's a little harder.
Mm-hmm.
A
But
little
I kind of like
harder
that.
than Fruity Pebbles. Not as flavorful, but you still get a kick of it in the back of your throat. Like
Right.
okay, like if somebody if this was like a blind test and you were fed this, I would say Fruity Pebbles adjacent.
Yeah. I mean, just like anything else, like this has 0 net carbs. It's not going to taste exactly like Fruity Pebbles,
But it's not bad.
it's crunchier than Fruity Pebbles because Fruity Pebbles are so thin, and this is more like rice. But I don't know. I'm kind of sold for 0 net carbs.
For us to not have had like really any sweet foods or sugar for like the last 6 months, this is kind of good. It hits, like it gives you that sugar that you want, it gives you that cereal need that you've been craving. So it works.
And only 90 calories. So, would we buy this again? Would we buy more HighKey product?
If it was on sale, if it was 2 for $11,
It's never gonna happen.
we would buy it again. I think
I would definitely buy it again.
if you
I think
guys,
it's really
can
good.
make a little bit more per box.
Yeah, there are small boxes. They are pricey, but
Yeah.
keto foods tend to be pricey if you're not making them yourself. But yeah, I say thumbs up. This is good. I'm having cereal.
It's cereal.
But this is cereal.
That's a good thing. So it's good.
Oh, look. On the back of this box, it says, "Still hungry? Peel here." What does that mean? Oh my gosh, you guys are literally
You
sitting
get a
here
free
watching
box.
me. Oh my gosh. Maybe
No.
it's a deal though. Maybe it's like, get your next bag free! Limit 1 per household.
How do we do it?
What? OneMoreSnack.com.
So that makes it worth it. It's literally 2 for 1 then.
I don't know though. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll get back to you and see if that.
I know, you never know if that's the situation. Anyway, guys, highly recommend HighKey protein cereal. They have this, they have frosted, they have cocoa. I'm definitely going to be eating the rest of the box. I'm definitely going to order some more of this because I love like an after dinner like snack. I know that's like not the most keto thing, but a lot of people will have like a bar or they'll have like a fat bomb. And this is
I need
zero
to
net
come out
carbs.
with peanut butter Captain Crunch.
I know. You are allergic
I
to
can't do
nuts.
peanut butter anymore.
Oh
I
my
haven't had it in
gosh.
so long. I forgot that I've gotten a peanut allergy since. Damn it!
Oh my
It used to be my
goodness.
favorite cereal. I guess I have to stick with maybe Sugar Smacks.
You know me. Anything, I'm obsessed with anything peanut butter. But yes, they do have a frosted, which is kind of like a sugar frosted flake kind of thing. Anyway, guys, if you love this video and you want more, make sure that you comment, subscribe below, tell HighKey, hey, maybe they'll sponsor us and we can try some more stuff.
Yeah.
We'd be happy to give honest reviews. This is the thumbs up. We're going to finish these bowls and we're definitely going to finish this bag. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Subscribe today.